Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is your favorite shopping mall? My favorite shopping mall is Phoenix Mall. It has everything I need. Where is it located? It's located in the city center. It's easy to reach by metro or bus. What do you usually buy there? I buy clothes, shoes, and sometimes gifts. There are many good brands. How often do you visit the mall? I go there once a month, sometimes just to hang out with friends. What do you like most about it? I like its big food court and cinema hall. It's a fun place to spend time. Who do you go shopping with? Usually I go with my friends or cousins. Shopping together is more fun. Do you like window shopping? Yes, I enjoy it. It's nice to look at new things even if I don't buy them. Is the mall crowded on weekends? Yes, it's very crowded on weekends. Many people come to shop and eat. Do you prefer malls or street markets? I prefer malls because they are clean and comfortable. Would you recommend your favorite mall to others? Yes, definitely. Everyone should visit it once. Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.